Hi everyone, Dr. Ivan from Cons here. Troubling news out of the New York Times this week. Trends across the country show that our math and reading scores have plummeted post-pandemic. Post-pandemic, only 31% of 8th grade students are reaching grade level proficiency. For math, only 26% are proficient before starting high school. For 4th graders, it's only 33% for reading and 36% for math. The U.S. Secretary of Education found the results appalling and unacceptable. In 2021, the U.S. government invested $123 billion towards fixing the declining scores, but only 20% of these funds were allotted for academic recovery from the learning loss. Researchers at Brown University proposed frequent small group tutoring as proven pathways to improve math and school-based mentorship relationships. At Cons, our leaders have seen similar benefits by researchers at Brown University. It's never too late to turn things around.